Hey guys, Garrett here from iOS Pro today. I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium today. So let's get started. To unbox the iPhone 16 Pro Max, there are two pull tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom. With both pull tabs released, the box will just open up. And there we go. The Desert Titanium, much better looking than the natural titanium. There's the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In the box, we get a USB-C charger, which is braided, and we get the paperwork. The sticker we just pull off the phone, and there it is. All right, we can go and power on the phone, and there we go. iPhone 16 Pro Max is now fully set up. This is the 512GB model as well. Go from the A17 Pro on the 15 Pro Max to the A18 Pro on the 16 Pro Max. The one feature I am happy to have now is the camera button. Though I've had this issue sometimes where if I quickly try to go to the camera app just after I wake up the phone, it won't respond. So I gotta wait a second or two for it to open. And that's a very useful button to have, where I press it once and it'll just open it right up. And running the Geekbench on both devices, the 15 Pro Max scored 9,093 single and 24,661 on the multi-core. The 16 Pro Max scored 10,138 single core and 26,826 on the multi-core. A significant speed improvement on the 16 Pro Max was higher scores. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. It's my video. Peace out.